The next couple of days are going to be crucial for the crypto market, and you better be ready because we are about to see major price movements for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins that have taken major hits over the last couple of weeks. Recently, I've placed a couple of big trades, about 200,000 core tokens. I have quite a bit of Cookie 3. I have a number of other altcoins, and if we're looking at the overall crypto market right now, before we dive into what's going on with altcoins, we can see a few main things. First of all, the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.36 trillion market cap, up around 1% over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at Bitcoin in terms of technicals, we are exactly as we had spoken about in previous videos. We are exactly just above this key support of 64,800. This is the exact line that we draw. It's around 64,700, 64,800. And ultimately, we said, look, on the weekly charts, we need to stay above this level. If we break below it on the weekly charts and we close below it, well, it's very likely that we're going to retest these lower levels of around $60,000 per coin. And now that we are just trading exactly at these levels, it is going to be crucial that we see Bitcoin stay at this level. If we can, I expect us to see a nice bounce back, start rallying, and potentially even have, rally to record highs, because then we would see is that there's higher lows and higher highs, and that would be something that is very exciting to see. In addition to this, if we're looking at Bitcoin, we also can see that Bitcoin's volatility has hit new lows over the last couple of weeks, and also we have seen that according to data from Glassnode, it says the realized volatility is the standard deviation of returns from the mean return of a market, indicating market risk. And if you're looking at this, we are seeing lowest levels we have seen in quite a while for annualized realized volatility for Bitcoin. So basically, we're seeing that Bitcoin's just been trading sideways for weeks and weeks and weeks, and this is the longest period that we have ever seen Bitcoin trade sideways near previous cycle highs. So that is something that is exciting to see if you're an investor, because it indicates, it's about time that we see a major catalyst move the market. Whether that's going to be good or bad, it's about time that we're going to see something big move the market. And I personally think it's going to be something very positive. Recently, we've seen a lot of... I wanted to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Spacepay. Spacepay and its native ecosystem token, SPY, is a terminal-agnostic payment protocol that allows effortless crypto payments in retail stores. So the cool thing about Spacepay is that 425 million people own crypto across the world, but 70% face spending challenges due to scarce payment solutions. It's not so easy to go about spending your crypto. So with Spacepay integrating its payment protocol into existing card machines for completely free, this ultimately allows cryptocurrency payments in retail stores to scale very, very rapidly because it's completely free for them to do. On top of this, Spacepay allows payments from over 325 different wallets, meaning all the consumer needs to do is go ahead, scan the QR code on a card machine, which allows them to pay with most major cryptocurrencies and eliminates the need for them to have to download any app. They could use their own wallet and just send the money directly by scanning the QR code. So Spacepay's token symbol SPY was designed to allow users to have much information as possible about the product as if it were like a publicly traded company. Revenue share, company financials, quarterly webinars with the team, incentives to use the platform, and a lot more. So active spenders using Spacepay are rewarded with monthly loyalty airdrops for the most active wallets. We're seeing that SPY holders get a monthly vote on crucial proposals. Spacepay's token holders also gain exclusive access to new features, products, and services before the release, and there's a ton of other special advantages. So if you think more and more people are going to want to pay with crypto, then I definitely recommend checking out Spacepay using my link in the description, and follow Spacepay's journey over on Twitter and in their Telegram. Anyways, let's get back to the program. News come out with an Ethereum ETF. If you've been following, there was approvals for certain filings for Ethereum ETFs. And we haven't seen Ethereum ETF trade just yet, but it's inevitable that we are going to see an Ethereum ETF start trading soon. This could be the major catalyst that everyone is hoping for. This could push Ethereum and altcoins to all-time record highs. Recently also, the US SEC closed an investigation into Ethereum 2.0, which is a major win for the industry. Recently, Consensus, which is a company behind MetaMask, came out and said that the US SEC has notified them that they are closing their investigation into Ethereum 2.0, and this is exactly what you want to see as an investor, because with an Ethereum ETF basically approved and inevitable, it's going to be coming really soon. It's going to start trading soon. Seeing seeing that SEC is dropping any sort of investigations into Ethereum is also another sign that, look, it looks like this Ethereum ETF is going to be trading sooner than maybe people are planning on, and it could happen, within the next couple of weeks. It could be the exact catalyst that we need. Now let's talk a little bit about altcoins and what's been going on there, because there's 2 or 3 main altcoins that I've been looking at over the last couple of weeks, and one of them is going to be with Cookie 3. So Cookie 3 is a project that just had its IDO, and if you look over on MEXC, I own around 50,000 Cookie 3 tokens. The symbol is COOKIE. Recently, Cookie 3 had a major announcement over on X, and that is that they partnered with Polygon Matic. It says Cookie 3 and OX Polygon are collaborating to inject new projects into the Cookie ecosystem. Together, we are integrating a crucial AI data layer to enhance data-driven decisions across Polygon-based projects. And this is something that is a major, major development. Cookie 3 just had its IDO. Within the last week or so, they have seen an over 4x return from its IDO, despite the market not performing well at all. If you look at any other altcoin, it has not done so well over the same period of time. And seeing that Cookie 3 had such a successful launch in a period of time in the market that really wasn't too great is exactly what you want to see as an investor, and something that makes me really excited. That's why I own around 50,000 Cookie 3 tokens over on MEXC. I also have some in a MetaMask wallet. I have around 300,000 or so tokens there, but this is just my trading account, and I do have some over here as well. So seeing that Cookie 3 has had this major partnership with Polygon Matic, seeing that they have been listed on major exchanges like Bybit, MEXC, KuCoin, BitGet, Gate.io, and has plans of listing on many more. This is exactly what you want to see for a project that is just launched. It is one of the best IDOs I've been a part of in the last 2 or 3 weeks, and something I'm really excited about. Interesting thing about Cookie 3 is that it actually did launch on ChainGPT's launchpad, and I did get part of it over on ChainGPT. If you look at ChainGPT, it talks about how Cookie 3 was their recent acceleration. It has a 4x return from where it currently, from where it launched at, and that's where it currently is sitting at. The all-time high ROI was right around 9x, but the cool thing about this is that they had around 12,000 participants for ChainGPT pad for Cookie 3, and if you're looking at ChainGPT, they recently had another major announcement, and that is going to be that they recently had talked about how they have Runes Terminal. It's launching very, very soon. It's exclusive IDO, and you can see it talks about the fully diluted valuation of right around $20 million, total IMC of around $2.3 million. So these numbers are really exciting in my opinion, and if you haven't seen, Runes Terminal is a project that has a lot of exciting stuff going on with it as well. It says, look, Terminal 1 is where the apes were born. They have a whole entire pad for meme coins, and you can see they're always talking about different meme coins that are launching through their platform, and now they are finally having their very own IDO, which I think is going to be massive. So we'll keep an eye out on this, but ChainGPT recently has seen a bit of a bump in price. It's up around 4% over the last 24 hours, which is nice to see, and I own quite a bit of this token. Just you can see right here, I own around $70,000 worth of ChainGPT, and because of all the recent launches they've had, the successful launch with Cookie 3, the exciting developments that are taking place with Runes Terminal, and everything else going on, I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on ChainGPT as the market starts to flip, because this is a project that was hit hard along with all other AI coins, and once the market turns around, I'm expecting ChainGPT, I'm expecting 0x0, I'm expecting Desync, I'm expecting many of these AI projects to absolutely explode.